We are very privileged to learn on this beautiful 13 acres of land. We have our own community garden and river walk.
Toronto District Christian High School was founded in 1963. The school's land is on property of the watershed Humber River system.
So the water that leaves our creek joins the Humber River and goes all the way down to Lake Ontario. Just down the hill from our school, we have this beautiful part of the Humber River where the north arm meets the east arm, and now we have the full width of the Humber River traveling all the way through York Region, Toronto to Lake Ontario.
We would like to start by acknowledging that we're on the traditional lands of the Wendat, Haudenosaunee, and Anishinaabe peoples, whose presence continues here to this day.
For thousands of years, Indigenous peoples inhabited and cared for this land. We also would like to acknowledge that this is the Treaty of the Lands of the Mississaugas of the Credit and thank them and other Indigenous peoples for sharing this land with us.
The stories of each of these nations endure and continue to guide us through our actions on this land. We are grateful to have the opportunity to learn, work, and live on this land and offer our utmost respect to the inhabitants.
We acknowledge the land and the people because the first step to reconciliation is recognizing the existence of Indigenous peoples. It is our responsibility for all of us to share in wise stewardship and peaceful care for the land and its resources.
We are mindful of a history of broken treaties and the urgent need to work continuously towards reconciliation. The Truth and Reconciliation Commission of Canada speaks to the significance of education as the key to achievements.
A shared understanding of our collective past brought us to where we are today will help us walk together into a better future.